Hi everyone, in this tutorial now we are going to see link aggregation. So what is link aggregation? A link aggregation consists of several interfaces on the system that are configured together as a single unit, and the link aggregation is also referred as trunking. So what we can say is that link aggregation, there are two or more interfaces that have bonding together within the single group, that is called link aggregation, and we can also name as trunking. So next, feature of link aggregation: increase bandwidth. The multiple link, it combined into a single logic unit. Will be the increasing of the bandwidth. And next we can see this is the automatic failover or failback. Suppose if one of the interfaces got failed, the interface is going to be failed over to the working link of the aggregation, so that we can use the automatic failover option. Load balancing: both inbound and outbound traffic is distributed according to user selected load balancing policies. And next we can see less drain on the network address pool. The entire aggregation can be assigned with one IP address. So this is the future of link aggregation. And next we can see the policy. Policy can specify how you want packet to be distributed across the available link of an aggregation that distribute the load balancing. So below are the policies that have been basically configured in the aggregation. So L2 and L3 and L4. So L4 is the default policy that we have been configured while creating the aggregation. If you require, we can change the policy L2 or L3 depend upon your environment. So next, now we are going to see hands-on with live demo. Yeah, now we are in the Solaris Putty section. So what we can do now, we are going to see how many interface is configured in this server. Using the command dladm show-physics. We can see 4 interfaces there. Out of 4, net0 interface is up and running fine, is using for the host. Remaining 3 interface is not used. So what we can check using the command ipadm. See, net0 is used for host IP address 10.168.10.20. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create an aggregation group using the interface net1 and net2. So then we are going to check the interface status, and we can do the continuous ping of the interface, and we are going to release the net0 from the aggregation 0, and we are going to assign the net3 interface in the aggregation 0. Yeah. Now we are going to create the aggregation group and assigning the interface in the aggregation group using the command dladm create -aggr space -l net1 space -l net2 space aggr 0, say aggregation group name. Yeah, we have created the aggregation group, so we can check using the command dladm show-aggr. Yes, created now. So I am checking the using the -l, we can check the property of the interface, property of the aggregation group, and we can check the interface that configured under the aggregation. We can see net1 and net2 is configured in the aggregation. So now we are going to configure the IP of the aggregation 0. So first what I can do, I am going to do the continuous ping of the IP address ping space 192 so 10.50. so this is the IP address that I am going to assign it for the server. So see, is showing request timeout now, so I am going to assign the IP address now. ipadm create -ip space aggr 0. We have plumbed the interface now. So now I am going to assign the IP address. ipadm create -aggr space -T static -a 192.168.10.50/24 space aggr /0/v4. Sorry, it's not aggr, it is the add address addr. Yeah, we can see aggregation IP has been assigned using the command ipadm. So it's assigned now. We can check the ping status of the interface. 68, sorry, it's not 1.50, it will 10.50. It's my mistake. Yeah, it's continuous pinging now. For checking, I am going to down the interface, and we can see the ping status. config down AGGR 0. AGGR 0 down. Yes, so it's down now. Now we can check the ping status. See, showing request timeout now. So now I'm just bringing up the interface. So IPADM this came in OK state now. So now it need to be ping now. Yeah, now continuous ping is happening. So what we can do, we are going to remove the net2 interface from the aggregation 0. Then we are going to assign the aggregation net3 in the aggregation 0 in the live. So using the command dladm show hyphen AGGR space hyphen capital L, remove the dladm remove hyphen AGGR space hyphen L net2 space AGGR 0. This is the aggregation group. Yeah, we have removed the interface net2 from the aggregation 0. So still the continuous ping is happening, so it's not impact with the live server. So now what we can do, we are going to assign the net3 interface to the aggregation 0 using the command dladm add hyphen AGGR hyphen L net3 AGGR 0. Yes, assigned now. So we can see net3 interface assigned the aggregation 0. Still is running up and fine. So now we have assigned this. So this is, guys, now we can see how to assign the aggregation in the server and how we can be remove the aggregation and how we can be add the aggregation in this server. So now what I am going to just clean up the aggregation that I having created in this server. So first I am going to unplug the interface now. IPADM delete hyphen IP AGGR 0. Yeah, I am just done unplug now. Okay, now interface is not showing. Now I am going to destroy the aggregation using the command dladm delete hyphen AGGR space AGGR 0. So now we can see, so there is no aggregation is now. So that's it, guys. So now we can know how to create the aggregation, how to remove the aggregation one by one. In the next video we can see with different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.